Here's another website I'm developing. Again, uh, this is using the Squarespace platform. Um, there's benefits and, one would say sacrifices slightly with between Wix and Squarespace, for example, but honestly, pretty much everything is benefits and benefits. And that way you can easily move to these beautiful websites quite quickly and easily, communicate with your audience, be able to sell your products, and have something that looks very nice very quickly and easily. You can also, as I say, allow yourself to find a simple solution that definitely works for you, and I can help you for the full service. I can help you with the design. I can help you with doing the video editing, for example, like on this, creating all of this, creating the images, doing the web design, helping you with the web design, putting it all together, helping you with training afterwards, short videos to show you how to do certain things to look after your database and your website and all of that side of things. So the whole idea of this is to allow myself to ideally, replace myself. You can take care of your website easily yourself. That's what I'm really aiming at doing as part of the full service that I provide.